Hello, I'm Diana Mather. I'm a TV etiquette expert and I travel the world teaching people dining skills. After this short video, you'll have the confidence to attend any dinner party and know exactly what to do to make that evening a real success. Let's get started. Posture. It's important to sit up straight when you eat, partly because you look better and also it's easier for the food to be digested. So no elbows out here, no elbows on the table, and the food should come up to you, not you go down to the food. The napkin. Now before we start anything, we put the napkin on our knee. You're very discreet when you use the napkin. You just dab your mouth. You don't blow your nose in it, you don't wipe your face in it, and you certainly don't tuck it into the top of your clothes. So the napkin stays on the knee throughout the meal. Then when you've finished, you just take it and just put it gently onto the left side. Now, it can be confusing to know which bread roll is yours because you don't want to be pinching somebody else's, even if it looks better than the one you've got in front of you. So, it is BMD, bread, meal, drinks. So the bread is always on the left. Now you don't cut a bread roll, you break it and leave it on the plate, and then you just butter the amount of bread that you're going to eat. Now, cutlery can be confusing, but if you look here, you go from the outside in. So you've got 3 courses, a starter course, the main course, and then pudding or dessert. Holding the cutlery is very important. A knife is held like this, and the fork like this. So it's never like that, certainly never like that. And it's also in the palm of your hand, so you're not eating like that. You've got the knife and fork in the palm of the hand, and then you eat. And always the times should be this way up. Now, when you're resting in between mouthfuls, and you should put your knife and fork down every 4 mouthfuls, really, then that is how it should be placed, so that everyone knows that you haven't finished. When you have finished, the knife and fork go together. They can be like that, but actually I prefer it to be like that, so that whoever's going to clear, whether it's from the right or from the left, they're not going to get their fingers in the way of the knife and fork. Next, we'll go on to the glasses. Because again, if you've got glasses in front of you, which one do you use for what? So as you can see, we've got 3 glasses here. This could be for red wine, but in this case, because it's the largest and there's no tumbler or water goblet, this will be for water. The next biggest is for red wine, and the slightly smaller one for white wine. You always hold a glass by its stem, because if you cup the glass, you're going to change the temperature of the liquid. So the toast. The toast comes at the end of the meal. Usually it's at a birthday party or a wedding. We don't clink glasses, it's not correct etiquette, but we do make eye contact. So look at the people you're toasting, look at the person you're toasting, raise your glass, and it's either your very good health or happy birthday or lots of happiness for the future. A simple toast is perfect. Three additional tips. You don't start eating until your host or hostess starts. You never leave the table during the meal because it's very disruptive. And you don't have your mobile phone on the table. It's very bad for the digestion, so put it in your pocket or in your handbag. And enjoy the meal. The people that you're with are the most important, so have that conversation, enjoy the whole ambience of that particular event. Well, there you go. There are some really useful tips on helping your dinner party and any dinner party you go to be a great success. Do enjoy it, and best of luck.